The upcoming Pocket Cinema Camera 4K will be no doubt a very successful camera if Blackmagic design will be able to keep all of the promises and deliver that great product without any major drawbacks like loud fan noise or too short battery life or any other potential flaws. Since there is still some time left before the release date, I would like to make one wish for this upcoming bestseller camera in hopes that Blackmagic design will listen to this and actually implement this one pretty simple yet so important but often overlooked feature. I'm talking about Auto ISO. From what I've seen so far, it seems as though Pocket 4K doesn't really have Auto ISO, and it's kind of frustrating. This one thing, Auto ISO, has been neglected by some camera manufacturers, at least on less expensive models. Panasonic G7, G85. But Auto ISO is actually very crucial for certain types of shoots. As you guys probably know, in the exposure triangle, basically the only thing videographers can adjust during the shooting is the ISO. You lock your frame rate based on the type of shoot you're working on. You adjust the shutter speed accordingly to get certain motion blur. You set your aperture to achieve the look you're aiming at and the amount of subjects you want to show in focus, and the only parameter we are left with is in fact ISO. Canon 550D could adjust ISO automatically back in 2010, yet in 2018 manufacturers are still releasing cameras that cannot do that. So it would be absolutely brilliant to see Blackmagic design implementing this pretty basic and simple feature for anyone who needs it. Obviously it's not for everyone, but certain styles of shoots, especially documentary like, would most definitely benefit from having Auto ISO feature. If Blackmagic can implement this alongside with 1/3 of stops increments, meaning that you don't need to switch from say 400 straight to 800, but instead you can also use 500 and 640 ISOs, that would be absolutely phenomenal. It would mean that the camera could adjust the exposure for you based on your fixed parameters like aperture and shutter speed, and it could do it in a pretty subtle way and let you concentrate on the subject and what's in frame, again especially for more run and gun scenarios where you don't have perfect control of your lighting at all times. It would be a bit of a shame if Pocket Cinema Camera 4K will be able to shoot 4K 60p in RAW or ProRes, will do it if necessary straight to the external USB-C SSD, will have full coverage M43 sensor and big touch screen with very nice and clean interface, and also will pack 2 mic inputs and headphone output and even full-size HDMI, and all of that packed into a compact body at a great price, but won't have Auto ISO. That would be really a bit of a shame. So again, I hope engineers at Blackmagic will see this video, so please let them know, share it, tweet it, so hopefully they will implement this Auto ISO. And guys at Blackmagic, if you are watching this, please add this. I know it's more of a prosumer level thing rather than truly professional feature, but it will make lives and shooting days of so many people way easier. You cannot even imagine this. In any case, thanks for watching folks, till next video, and take care.